So hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss on finding the solution of linear equations in one variable. Solving an equation means finding the values of the unknown such as x so that the equation becomes true. Now if we're going to have an example here, y minus 4 equals 8, so we're going to find the value of y that can make the equation true. So in here, you have y minus 4 equals 8. So the technique here will be, you're going to combine the constant terms and the variable terms. So in here, there's only one variable. So what you're going to do is you're going to transpose negative 4 to the right side. And this will become positive 4. So you're going to have here y equals 8 plus 4. And 8 plus 4 will be equal to 12. So y here is equal to 12. Now to check if your answer is correct, you can just substitute value of y in the original equation. So y minus 4 equals 8 here. So y is 12, so we're going to have 12 minus 4. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. And 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So your answer is correct. Now number 2. X plus 2 equals negative 3. So the same with number 1, you're going to transpose 2 to the right side. This will become, from positive 2, this will become negative 2. So you're going to have in the left side x. Then this will become negative 3. Then minus 2. The negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. Now to check if your answer is correct, so we're going to have negative 5 plus 2 equals negative 3. Is it true? So negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3 equals negative 3. Correct. And 4x equals 24. Now in here, what you're going to do is you're going to divide both sides of the equation by the numerical coefficient of the variable. Now in here, the numerical coefficient is 4. So you're going to divide the left side with 4 and the right side of the equation with the same 4. 4s divided by 4 is x. Then 24 divided by 4 is 6. So the value of x here is equal to 6. Now to check if your answer is correct, what you're going to do is you're going to substitute x to the original equation. So you're going to have 4 times 6 equals 24. Then 4 times 6 is 24. So 24 equals 24. So you get it right. Then number 4. Number 4 is 4a plus 7 equals a minus 8. Now in here, what you're going to do is you're going to combine the constant terms and the terms with the variable to the same side of the equation. So we're going to have a, this is a variable term, to the left side, and 7 here to the right side. So you're going to transpose the 2. So a here will be transposed to the left side. This will become negative a. So we're going to have 4a minus a. Then cos negative 8. Then 7 here from positive 7. If it will be transposed, that will become negative 7. Then 4a minus a. That will be 3a. The negative 8 minus 7 is negative 15. Then, same with number 3, we're going to divide the sides of the equation by the numerical coefficient of the variable or the unknown. Now, since this is 3a here, so the numerical coefficient of a is 3. So, we're going to divide in here 3. Same with the right side, divided by 3. Then 3a divided by 3 is a. Then negative 15 divided by 3 is negative 5. Now to check if your answer is correct, you're going to have here 4 times a is negative 5. Then plus 7 equals negative 5 minus 8. Now 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Then plus 7 is it equal to negative 5 minus 8. So negative 20 plus 7 is negative 13. Then negative 5 minus 8 is negative 13. So you got the correct answer. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below and see you next time.